Well, good morning from a very eerily quiet Haynes International Motor Museum. We're in mid-January and sadly we find ourselves in lockdown yet again, lockdown 3. And as I've said, the museum is eerily quiet, but that doesn't mean that things don't have to continue. We have a collection, as you know, of over 400 vehicles, and the site and those vehicles and all the other objects we have in the collection don't look after themselves. What we'd like to do over the next 3 or 4 weeks, whilst the country remains in lockdown, is to periodically share with you some of the tasks that go on behind the scenes in an international motor museum. So those of you that followed our first series of videos last year, The Road to Reopening, will know already that the museum carried out a significant amount of refurbishment during 2020. And over this new series of videos, I'm going to be sharing with you, alongside our Head of Collections, Chris Copson, some behind-the-scenes sneak previews of some of the work that we've been doing. And so, continuing the theme of sneak previews to the work that we did in 2020, I'm now standing in the new Williams F1 exhibition, The Drivers and the Driven. And we'll be sharing some close-up views of these cars in later videos. And equally, Chris Copson, our Head of Collections, will be talking you through some of the finishing touches that we're putting on to this exhibition, which is the F1 Safety and Survival. And he'll be taking you behind the scenes and showing you how we actually construct some of the interpretation. And of course, also a large part of the work that we did in 2020 was to ensure the museum was a very safe environment for you to come and visit. We installed a one-way system. We have hand sanitising stations throughout the museum and other mitigating measures in place to make sure that both you can have a safe visit, but the quality of your visit is not compromised and you can still get up close and personal to the whole collection. And talking of the collection, I'm standing here now at the moment next to the Woody, which is a wonderful car and one of my personal favourites. Not least because I'm a bit of an ageing surfer and it evokes memories of films like The Endless Summer. Of course, we're hoping to have our doors open long before this summer, and I want to reassure all our visitors that actually we're ready to go at a moment's notice, and we will open our doors to welcome you as soon as we possibly can. And please do keep in touch with us, social media and on the website, and we'll update you with our plans. As soon as we're able to open, we will do so.